Tesla's Sentry Mode transforms your vehicle's external cameras into a powerful security system. When your car is parked, it automatically activates to monitor for motion, sound, or proximity alerts. The Dashcam feature uses these cameras to record continuous footage, capturing any unusual activity around your vehicle. This creates a secure record of events for your peace of mind. This video will guide you through viewing these clips on your mobile device, saving them to your phone or cloud storage, and sharing them securely with end-to-end encryption. Whether it's for insurance claims, security monitoring, or simply reviewing your day's events, Tesla's system provides reliable, encrypted protection for your vehicle. Open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. You'll see the main Tesla app screen showing your car's status. Navigate to the Security tab, or in some versions, go to Vehicle, then Sentry Mode. Select Dashcam clips from the Security menu. This displays a timeline of video events with thumbnails for easy browsing. Ensure your app is updated to version 5.2.1 or later for optimal features. Once in the Dashcam clips section, tap a thumbnail to play the corresponding video. You can pause, rewind, adjust playback speed, and zoom in for a closer look. For best viewing quality, especially with high-resolution footage up to 1080p, make sure you have a stable internet connection. To save a clip, tap the download icon within the video playback screen. This saves the video to your phone's storage or your preferred cloud service like iCloud or Google Drive. Saved files are in MP4 format, making them easily shareable. To share a Dashcam clip securely, use the Share button in the Tesla app. This generates a secure link or allows direct sending via email or SMS. Tap the Share button to reveal sharing options, including email, SMS, and secure link generation. Tesla emphasizes privacy with end-to-end encryption, preventing unauthorized access to your clips. You can share clips up to 30 minutes long directly via SMS, as shown in this texting interface. Basic Sentry Mode stores Dashcam clips locally on the car's SSD drive, which has at least 128 gigabytes of storage. These clips are kept for 7 to 10 days before being automatically overwritten. For extended storage, Tesla offers Sentry Plus, a subscription service that keeps high-priority event clips for up to 30 days. The system uses AI to automatically tag and categorize events, helping to reduce false positives and focus on important incidents. Importantly, your clips remain private and are not uploaded to Tesla's servers unless you choose to share them through the app. If you experience issues accessing Dashcam clips, the first step is to ensure your Tesla app is properly linked to your Tesla account. This connection is essential for retrieving clips from your vehicle. Two-factor authentication should be enabled on your Tesla account. This security feature prevents unauthorized access and is required for viewing sensitive Dashcam footage remotely. Be aware that remote access to Dashcam clips requires an active cellular data connection from your Tesla vehicle. Without this, you'll need to view clips directly from the vehicle's touchscreen. Some users experience occasional synchronization bugs, where clips don't appear in the app as expected. These issues are typically resolved through app updates or vehicle software refreshes. To avoid many common issues, regularly check for updates to the Tesla mobile app. These updates often include bug fixes, security improvements, and new features for Dashcam functionality. Future updates will include real-time AI analysis for generating automatic summaries of Dashcam clips, making it easier to identify key events without watching entire videos. Tesla is exploring integration with smart home systems, such as Ring, allowing your vehicle's security footage to connect seamlessly with home monitoring for comprehensive protection. Similar partnerships with ADT could provide unified security monitoring, combining vehicle and home protection into one integrated system. Ethical considerations are guiding Tesla to prioritize user-controlled data retention, ensuring you have full control over how long your clips are stored and who can access them. By 2027, Tesla plans to offer cloud-only storage options, eliminating the need for local storage on the vehicle and providing unlimited access from anywhere. Virtual reality playback features could allow for immersive reviews of Dashcam footage, providing a more engaging way to analyze security events. These advancements are driven by vehicle thefts increasing 15% in the US since 2020. making advanced security features more essential than ever. These developments are positioning Tesla's Sentry Mode and Dashcam features as the new standard for vehicle security in the industry.